Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrun assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 7, today I am going to take your agriculture class, and our today's topic is creative question answer from chapter 4. So all of you take your agriculture book and go to chapter 4, page number 76. So let's start our class. Today we will discuss creative question number 1, and our stem is: though Sadiq's home is situated in the area where it rains slightly, still a lot of vegetables grow there. Once Sadiq accompanied his mother to his uncle's house at Tilatol in Chittagong and carried some fresh vegetables with them. One day he noticed that the sky suddenly got covered with deep dark clouds and stormy wind started blowing, and then it began to rain. And question number 8, what do you understand by season of crops? And all of you know that this is knowledge based question and carries number 1. Number B, explain the reason of calling potato a vegetable of cardinal temperature. And we know that question number B carries 2 marks. And my dear students, number C, in the light of the stem above described, according to the season, the characteristic of the crops of the agro area where Sadiq belongs to. And it carries question number 3, it carries 3 marks. And number D, compare the weather types of Sadiq's area with that of his uncle's precinct, and it carries 4 marks. So my dear students, now look, question number A carries 1 mark. It is knowledge based question answer. You will directly get this answer in your book, and the answer is: the cropping period taken from seed sowing to maturity of the crop through its physical growth, production of flowers and fruits is considered as season of that particular crop. So what is our question? What do you understand by season of crops? And this is our answer, and it's better to write the answer within 1 sentence. You can give the answer in in 1 word or more than 1 words, but it's better to give the answer within with 1 complete sentence. And it is knowledge based question, and to answer this question you need to memorize few information from your book. Otherwise it's not possible to give the answer, and to give this answer you don't need to use the stem. It's not related to the stem. You will not get the answer from this stem. Now question number B, explain the reason of calling potato a vegetable of cardinal temperature. It carries 2 marks, 1 for knowledge based and 1 for understanding. It calls comprehension based question or understanding. And our answer is: potato is a crop of Rabi season. It needs low temperature to grow. For potato production, minimum temperature is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, optimum temperature is 25 to 31 degrees Celsius, and maximum temperature is 31 to 37 degrees Celsius, and that is why potato is known as vegetable of cardinal temperature. And dear students, to answer question number B, for comprehension based question, you need to use some information from your memory. That means you need to memorize some information from your text, and what you have understood after reading your text you need to apply here, and you will try to give your answer within 3 sentences. It's better to give the answer within 3 sentences, but you can also write 4 or 5 sentences to give the question answer of number B. Now number C, in the light of the stem above described, according to the season, the characteristics of the crops of the agro area where Sadiq belongs to. Now, my dear students, to give the answer of C, you need to use the stem, and it carries 3 marks, 1 for knowledge, 1 for understanding and 1 for application. And our answer is Sadiq's home is situated in the area where it rains slightly but a lot of vegetables grow there. So we can say that Sadiq's home is situated in the AEZ 3 and 4, that means agroecological zone 3 and 4. And now the description is what? During Rabi season, vegetables grow well. The crops of Rabi season needs low temperature, less rainfall, low humidity, low infestation of diseases and insects, irrigation and longer night time than that of the day. So this is the characteristics of the Rabi crops. And now question number D. Compare the weather types of Sadiq's area with that of his uncle's precinct. So to answer this question, you need to use some information from your memory. That means for knowledge it is 1 mark, for understanding 1 mark, for application 1 mark and for higher skill it is 1 mark. So in total 4 marks, and you will try to keep the answer within 15 sentences, but here there is a comparison, so we make a chart here, table, and to give the answer of question number C, you will write maximum 12 sentences. That means you will try to complete your answer within 12 sentences. And my dear students, to give question answer C and D, you need to use the stem. And our answer is Sadiq's zone belongs to agroecological zone 3 and 4, and Sadiq's uncle's zone belongs to agroecological zone 23. So a comparison regarding weather pattern is given below. So what is the comparison between these two zones? In zone 3 and 4, so there is a mistake, it will be and. Number 1, temperature is low, and in zone 23 temperature is moderate. Zone 3 and 4 insufficient rainfall, that means there is less rainfall, and zone 23 it's heavy rainfall. Zone 3 and 4 low humidity, and zone 23 high relative humidity, that means the here humidity is very high, and in zone 3 and 4 storms hardly occur, and in zone 23 storms frequently occur. In zone 3 and 4 flood risk is low, and in zone 23 flood risk is high. So what do you understand from the comparison between two zones? From this comparison we can say that the weather pattern of zone 3 and 4 is different from zone 23. That means weather pattern of zone 3 and 4 is totally opposite from zone 23. That means it differs from each other. Now, so what is our decision? That means Sadiq belongs to zone 3 and 4, which and the weather pattern of this area is totally opposite of zone 23. So this is to answer question number D. You need to you need knowledge and understanding and application, and then high skill to get 4 marks. So my dear students, there is a homework for you, homework number 3. From chapter 4, you will write creative question answer 1C. That means question number C. In the light of the stem above, describe according to the season the characteristic of the crops of the agro area where Sadiq belongs to. You can make your own answer, or you can follow this example. So this is the example of creative question answer 1, and I hope you have understood and you will make your own answer. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic, and do your homework because it's very important, and you will do your assigned homework regularly, because your SBSCT and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies, and you can submit your all homework copies on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. So practice a lot and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.